Let's talk about lead generation in real estate. A while back, I was on a Southwest Airlines flight, and this was back when they had an in-flight magazine called Spirit. And in that, I'm reading that, of course, because I'm bored, and they had the top 5, all these magazines have top 5 lists, but it said the top 5 least respected professions. So guess who made the list? Oh, that's right, we realtors, we made the list, okay? Who else was on that list of top 5 least respected professions? Of course, it was used car salespeople. Of course, it was attorneys. Of course, if attorneys hang around long enough, they become politicians. But who was number 1? Oh, we did it! We were the number 1 least respected profession. Can you imagine that? Well, that's not necessarily bad news. It's good news. By the way, my favorite top 10 list of all time is the top 10 Amish pickup lines, like, my, how that shapeless black dress flatters thee, or dost thou come to these barn raisings often, or thy buggy certainly has a boss tuck and roll, or really, Witness is my favorite movie too. Anyway, that's beside the point. But top 5 least respected professions, we were the winners. So the good news is the bar has been lowered so low, it's pretty easy to step over it and look pretty good compared to your competition. Well, what's one way to look pretty good? Do the opposite. If the whole real estate industry has taught us in such a way that we are the least respected profession, you know that the training in the real estate industry is baloney. The failure rate in our industry is horrific. So obviously the training that you've been getting from the industry, your companies, all the other coaches, it's abysmal. So if you would like to learn what only fearless agents know, go to fearlessagents.com. We do the opposite, the exact opposite of what every other coach, every other trainer, every other agent will do. You're going to be the opposite. And then it will make you compete much more easily if you're a Fearless Agent coaching student. So go to fearlessagent.com, go in the upper right-hand corner, click on the webinar, watch that. It's like a free test drive to see what our coaching might be like. If you think it might suit you, you can call me anytime at 480-385-8810, toll-free day or night, and we'll just have a chat. And we'll not be closing you at the end of that chat. It's just to see if it would be a good fit for you. If it is, you'll probably get rich. If it's not, we'll admit that. Go to fearlessagentpodcast.com and click right here and subscribe to fearlessagent.tv. And let's see if we can make you a fearless agent. Thanks.